Okay, this one's about the ODBII port on my 2 litre Passat. Apologies for the low light levels. On more than one occasion, when I've gone to push the connector into the port has pushed out of the back into the dreaded space behind the dashboard. Now, having undone the 3, 1, sorry, let's go out a bit so you can see where it is. The 1, 2, 3 T20 Torx connectors, little bolts like this. Then this dash panel drops down, so what I decided to do to fasten that in properly, because it was reliant on little plastic clips, was to take a hole through without the plug, the socket bit in there, level approximately with the slot at the back there, as you can see. Just drilled a hole through and fitted a piece of garden cane, so it's nice and non-conducting. It's not going anywhere, and now there is no way that ODBII socket is going to fall out. So just be careful you don't over tension the cables here, because there's only a little bit of slack, and just make sure that when you're fitting the wonderful bit in there that you don't snag any of the cables. I've positioned it in that position there because there is actually a gap in the cable train coming out the back, so just an idea anyway. So live to measure another day. So there we go, and just be careful when you're putting it back up there, because this wonderful piece of insulation does actually move around, and you may find that you need to move it slightly to make sure that everything engages. You can't see it here, but there are, at the end here, there are feet, hang on, torch, feet there that engage somewhere in there. Your guess is as good as mine. Likewise, the back there, if you can see, hang on, see the depression there? That's where the foot at this side engages. And I wonder if you can see the one at the back there. I don't think I can, but just be careful when you're fitting it all back up again. Lots and lots of wires, as is usual, and hopefully if you find yourself in a position the same as me, that'll get you back measuring again soon. Okay, bye.